Good morning, students. Today, in previous classes, we discussed about all three chapters: sets, relations, and functions. Okay. Today, we take new chapter, that is trigonometry functions. Okay. Let's see. In earlier classes, we have studied trigonometry ratios, acute angles as the ratio of the sides of right angles triangle. Okay. Now, in that chapter, first of all, we discuss about trigonometry identities. Okay. We discuss about trigonometry identities. Okay. Let's see some important trigonometry identities we also discussed in previous classes. That is in class 10. Okay. Here your first trigonometry identities is your sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. You know that very well. And here we find out here cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Also if we have sin square theta as we write as 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. Yes. Same as the second trigonometry identities is what? You know that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Okay. And here we also find sec square theta minus 1 as we get tan square theta. This is the another identities. And also we have sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Okay. This is also a trigonometry identity. Now, and your third identity is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to what? Cosec square theta. Now we get cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Okay. We get cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So this is some important trigonometry identities which is also discussed in previous class, that is class 10. Okay. Now let's see some other trigonometry identities. We also know that sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta, that is cosec theta is equal to what? 1 upon sin theta. Okay. Next one, cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta, that is sec theta is also equal to 1 upon cos theta. Now we have tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta, that is cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. Okay. 1 upon tan theta. And next, tan theta is also equal to sin theta upon cos theta, that is cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Okay. This is some important trigonometry identities there. Okay. Now we take some questions based on these trigonometric identities. Okay. Let's see. we take a question. Prove that your question is prove that sin to the power 8x minus cos to the power 8x is equal to sin square x minus cos square x into 1 minus 2 sin square x into cos square x. Okay, this is your question. We have to show that sin to the power 8x minus cos to the power 8x is equal to sin square x minus cos square x into, in second bracket, 1 minus 2 sin square x into cos square x. Okay, let's see. Let's solve it. Take LHS. Take LHS, that is left hand side of this question, which is sin to the power 8x minus cos to the power 8x is equal to, here we write in this way, sin power 4x whole square minus cos to the power 4x whole square. Okay, now we split this identity in the based of the formula a square minus b square. We know that a plus b into a minus b. Okay, now let's see here, that is, this is a, this is b, then here this is a square minus b square, so we can write a plus b into a minus b. Let's see. A means sin to the power 4x, a plus b into a minus b, that is minus b. Okay, that is a plus b into a minus b. Now let's see. Here we also write in this form sin square whole square minus cos square whole square. Okay, and here we write in this form as it is, sin to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x. Okay, now here we use further identity, use this identity a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. Here a means sin square x, b means cos square x. So we get what? A plus b into a minus b. Okay, and this right on the same way, that is sin to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x. Okay, now let's see. Here we also know that the value of sin square x plus cos square x is 1, so the value of that is 1 into, here this write in the same way, that is sin square x minus cos square x. Okay, and here in this part we use we done some step, that is sin to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x. Okay, we add and subtract 2 sin square x into cos square x. Okay, let's see. In that part we add and subtract 2 sin square x cos square x. Okay, now we get what? Sin square x minus cos square x into that part is right. We can write sin square x plus cos square x whole square. Okay, because of we know that a square plus b square plus 2ab is, we can write a plus b whole square, that is sin square x plus cos square x whole square. Okay, and here minus 2 sin square x into cos square x. Okay, now we get what? Let's see, sin square x minus cos square x. In another bracket, the value of sin square x plus cos square is 1, so 1 square is 1, so we get 1 minus 2 sin square x into cos square x. Okay, that is proved. Okay, so dear students, in this way we proved that type of results. Okay, now we take some other questions based on these identities. Let's see. Now we take some questions, some NCERT questions based on that identities. Let's see. Prove that let's see, prove that 1 plus cot x minus cosec x, in another bracket 1 plus 10x plus sec x is equal to 2. Okay, now solve it. Let's take left hand side, which is 1 plus cot x minus cosec x, in another bracket 1 plus 10x plus sec x. We put all the formula of the given functions, that is cot x, cosec x, tan x and sec x. Let's see. Here 1 plus the value of cot x is what? We convert out the trigonometric function in sine and cosine. Then we get cot x is what? Cos x upon sin x minus cosec x is what? 1 upon sin x. Okay, same as here, tan x is equal to sin x upon cos x plus sec x is what? 1 upon cos x. Okay, now we solve each brackets. Here we take the LCM of denominator, that is sin x. Okay, so here we get sin x plus cos x, here minus 1. Okay, now here we take the LCM cos x, then we get cos x plus sin x plus 1. Okay, now let's see. In numerator we observe that, suppose we take sin x plus cos x as A and 1 as B, then here let's see, this is A minus B and that is A plus B, and we know that A plus B into A minus B, we write A square minus B square. So here we get A square minus B square means 1 square. Okay, and in denominator we multiply both sin x and cos x, then we get sin x into cos x. Okay, now we expand sin x plus cos x whole square. Okay, then we get, let's see, a, that is sin x take as a, cos x as b. So a plus b whole square is what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, now we get here a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, now here 1 square is 1 upon sin x into cos x. Okay, here the value of sin square x plus cos square is 1, so 1 plus 2 sin x into cos x minus 1 upon sin x into cos x. Here let's see, plus 1 minus 1 cancel to each other. Okay, then we get what? 2 sin x into cos x upon what? Sin x cos x. So sin x cancel to each other, cos x also cancel to each other. So we get what? As 2, which is RHS. Hence proved. Okay, so dear students, we solve all that type of questions in this way. Okay, yes. Now we take some other questions of NCERT based on that identities. Okay, let's see. Prove that. Next question is, prove that 10x plus sec x minus 1 upon 10x minus sec x, 10x minus sec x plus 1 is equal to 1 plus sin x upon cos x. This is your question. Okay, let's see. Now solve it. We take left hand side, that is LHS, which is equal to 10x plus sec x minus 1 upon 10x minus sec x plus 1. Now in that question we split 1 in the form of let's see, 10x plus sec x and minus 1 we can write as, you know that sec square theta, sec square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. So here 1 is converted into the form of sec square x minus tan square x. We write now. Now in denominator we write as it is 10x minus sec x plus 1. Now let's see. Here we get 10x plus sec x minus, here we get a plus b into a square minus b square. So we write what? a minus b into a plus b, that is tan x plus sec x, okay, upon in denominator we write as it is tan x minus sec x plus 1. Now here in numerator we common tan x plus sec x, okay. We get what? Let's see, 1 minus, here if we break this bracket then we get minus sec x and minus minus plus tan x, so we get minus sec x plus tan x, okay, and in denominator we have tan x minus sec x plus 1. Now let's see, here tan x minus sec x plus 1, so here take x minus sec x plus 1 also here in the numerator, so that part is cancelled to each other and we left what? Tan x plus sec x, we left what? Tan x plus sec x. Now we converted each function into the form of sine and cosine, then we know that tan x is equal to sin x upon cos x, so here we get sin x upon cos x plus sec x is what? 1 upon cos x. If we take the LCM cos x, then we get what? 1 plus sin x upon cos x, 1 plus sin x upon cos x, hence that is RHS, hence proved. Okay, so dear students, we proved that type of questions in this way, okay. So dear students, you solve all the questions of your NCERT exercise based on these identities in the same way, okay. Now we take some other questions based on that identities, okay. Let's see the question. Next question. Now just prove that cot to the power 4x minus cot square x is equal to cosec to the power 4x minus cosec square x, okay. Cot to the power 4x minus cot square x is equal to cosec to the power 4x minus cosec square x, okay. You have to show that.
Start.
Now let's see. Let take LHS, okay, which is cot to the power 4x minus cot to the power cot square x. Okay, here we write cot power 4x in the form of, in this way, cot square x whole square minus, here we write as it is, and we know that 1 plus cot square x is equal to what? Cosec square x, na? So we have cosec square x is equal to what? Sorry, cot square x is equal to what? Cosec square x minus 1. Cosec square x minus 1. Now here we put the value of cot square x in that part. Let's see. Cot square x is equal to what? Cosec square x minus 1. So then let's see. Cosec square x minus 1 whole square, and minus here we put cot square x as cosec square x minus 1. Okay, so here we get, we split, expand that part based on the identity a minus b whole square. Let's see, here that is a, that is b. Okay, that is a minus b whole square means a square, that is cos square x whole a square plus b square minus 2ab, 2 cos square x into 1, 2ab. Okay, minus, we split this brackets, we get minus cosec square x minus sorry, in that question here is plus, here plus there. Okay, yes, that is plus minus 1. In that question here plus. Okay, now we get here, let's see, when cosec square x whole square, that is we get cosec to the power 4x plus 1 minus 2 minus 2 cosec square x, okay, plus cosec square x minus 1. Now let's see, plus 1 and minus 1 cancel to each other. Okay, now here cosec to the power 4x, here now minus 2 cosec square x plus cosec square x. So we get minus plus minus, that is minus 1 cosec square x. So we get our result, that is cosec to the power 4x minus cosec square x, which is our RHS, which is our RHS, hence proof. Hence proof. Okay, this is the very important questions of your NCERT exercise. So you solve all that type of questions in this way. Okay, now we take some other basics questions based on identities. To prove 2 sec square x, 2 sec square x minus sec to the power 4x minus 2 cosec square x minus 2 cosec square x plus cosec to the power 4x in the form of is equal to cot to the power 4x minus 10 to the power 4x. Okay, now let's see, we take LHS and we get 2 sec square x squared, 1 plus 10 square x, na, 1 plus 10 square x, so we get here 1 plus 10 square x. Okay, here we have 1 plus 10 square x का whole square, means here sec to the power 4x na, so we write sec square x whole square, and the sec square x is 1 plus tan square x whole square. Okay, minus 2, here we write 1 plus cot square x. 1 plus cot square is cosec square x, plus here same as 1 plus cot square x का whole square, that is here cosec to the power 4x. So we split that functions. 2 we multiply 2 plus 2 tan square x. Okay, minus we expand a square plus b square means b square minus plus 2ab plus 2 tan square x. Okay, here minus 2 cot square x. Okay, now here let's see, plus expand that a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now we split the brackets. 2 plus 2 tan square x minus here minus 1 minus 10 to the power 4x minus 2 tan square x. Okay, now minus 2 cot square x plus 1 plus cot to the power 4x plus 2 cot square x. Okay, now let's see, plus 2 tan square x minus 2 tan square cancel out, here minus 1 plus 1 cancel out, here plus 2 minus 2 cancel out, here minus 2 cot square x plus 2 cot square x cancel out. We left what? Minus 10 power 4x plus cot to the power 4x, that is cot to the power 4x minus 10 to the power 4x, which is our RHS. Okay, thank you.